online, kindly inform us. Ito pong tungkol dito sa latest state of the science. Da Vinci 11, tama ba ito? Robotic Surgical System of Makati Medical Center. Naku po, ano nga ba ito? First time na maririnig ko. I don't know, dun sa ating mga kababayan. Doktora, sige nga po. Thank you.
Yung Da Vinci surgical system, this is actually an equipment, okay? It's a surgical tool ng doctors to make surgery better. This is actually advancing already in the field of science and technology. This machine helps not only the doctors but also the patients. And there's so many advantages that we get from using the robot. Mm-hmm.
Okay, Miss Jackie, alam ko may
Miss
susunod ka
Anne,
kaagad na
nakita niyo?
tanong. Kita mo, opo, nakikita
Yes.
natin ngayon.
Nakita niyo yung
Ah.
monitor? Parang nakakatakot.
Hindi ka nakakatakot. Of course, pag first
Diba?
time mo lang siya makikita, magugulat ka, di ba? But actually, you will see that the advantages of this is that it has a lot of arms, which helps the surgery easier. It's very good because what happens is that, the body of the patient, you only have small incisions, about 4 to 5 millimeter incision, one in the belly button, and 3 incisions about 8 millimeters each, no? And then this robot, nakikita niyo po yan, it is actually docked to the patient. And then the doctor will be the one sitting in a console table, parang siya yung magdadrive. So she's gonna do the handworks and also the footwork. Ang advantage nito, yung doctor na surgeon, siya na yung mag-handle ng camera, ng mga different arms ng robot, and also yung pagpasok at paglapit dun sa mga different organs. You get me? Para siyang it's like a surgical tool na ito yung mag-i-ease ng surgery for the patient and also for the doctor. Kasi what happens is that, like I'm a gynecologist and I deal with a lot of surgeries in terms of yung may mga abnormal bleeding, yung mga maraming may bukol na tinatawag na fibroids, yung mga patients na nangangailangan ng hysterectomy, yung iba naman yung kailangan natin isuspend kasi bumabaksak na yung tinatawag na prolapse surgery, right? So, lahat naman ito nagagawa natin yung traditional way, yung open surgery na ginagawa natin. Kaya lang meron siyang downside. Usually what happens is that we have to wait for 6 to 8 weeks bago magre-recover ang patient totally. Usually with the patients who undergone robotic surgery, in 2 to 3 days you're already up. You're going home walking. There is actually minimal blood loss, okay? You have like small incision. You don't need to transfuse most of the time with majority of the cases. The case is actually very accurate and precise. Why? Because you're looking at it in a 3-dimensional manner in such a way na like me as the surgeon, I'm like inside the body of the patient. I'm beside the blood vessels and nerves. And therefore, the chances of complications are actually very minimal.